Hi again with a new coverage for GITEX Global 2022. And now we have a new interview. Our guest today is Mr. Jadd Elliot Dib, the CEO and co-founder for Pangaea X. Actually, Pangaea X is a platform for talent. Most welcome, Jadd. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for having me.
Most welcome. Actually, the talent platform is very important nowadays for the community, for the work, for the people whom are the talent whom are working from home or they have time.
Yes.
So if you can introduce Pangaea X.
So basically what we do is we're a connecting platform. We're a platform for freelancers.
Yeah.
Where freelancers dedicated to data, only data, right? Data professionals come to our platform, create a profile, and we have clients that come to our platform that are looking to hire data professionals. They post their requirements, they post their projects, and they mention what they need. And then the professionals from anywhere around the world, they can start bidding on these projects.
Yeah.
They check how much time it's going to take them, how much is their daily rate. They tell them, okay, you know what, this is my budget. I will do whatever your requirements are for this budget.
Yeah.
And they get hired. The payment process happens through us. Everything happens through us. From A to Z, you complete your entire project, and we have freelancers that are dedicated full-time to freelancing. They don't have a full-time job.
Yeah.
This is their full-time job.
Yeah.
You know, they are their own boss.
Oh yeah.
They work for themselves.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You are a co-founder also for Pangaea X. Co-founder.
No, just founder.
Just founder. You are the founder. When exactly you established and where?
So we established ourselves here in the UAE in 2020. So just before COVID hit, we started developing this idea into a company.
Yeah.
Once lockdown finished and everybody was starting to, live again, go back to work, and so that's when we launched. There was a good amount of people that were interested in starting. Unfortunately, COVID, you lose your job. You're looking for a way to make some money and continue your life. So I think for us, we started at the perfect time.
Yeah.
And that's been our journey. So that's when we started. We started here in the UAE. Now we have freelancers in over 70 different countries in the world.
Yeah.
So you can hire people anywhere around the world.
Is there some statistics about the talents whom are using Pangaea X? How many? Which sector?
So actually, data is in all sectors.
Yeah.
So we have clients requesting things from owning a branch or a whole group of barbershops. They want their sales data analyzed. We have some restaurants, we have some teachers, we have individuals saying, you know what, I have a list of my finances, my personal finances, and I would like that analyzed. They go on to Pangaea and they hire somebody and they create a sheet and it comes up with predictions telling them, you know what, you need to save this amount of money for you to buy whatever house in the future, or so it's not just organizations, it's not just companies, but it's also individuals like you and me. Maybe you have some data that you want to analyze.
True.
So everybody has data.
True.
Some people want their watch, their smartwatch data analyzed. I want to know how well I sleep. I want to know how many hours I sleep. I want to know how many steps I take. So everybody, whatever industry, it's everywhere.
Yeah. Actually, of course, this kind of platform is very important. I see it like it's a fantastic solution, and many applications and platforms like that is there in the market. So, if you can tell me what exactly the difference between Pangaea X and others.
Sure. So one of the key differences is we are niche. We're niche to data professionals. When you go to our, I don't want to call them competitors, but our indirect competitors, they have everything. You can have psychiatrists on there, you can have data analysts, or you can have graphic design, you can have a web designer, you can have everything. But there is an expression of too much is like too little. You know, when you go to a restaurant and the menu is 20 pages long, you don't know what to select. You don't know what's going on. We are niche to only data. So when they come, people come, freelancers or clients come to our platform, they know it's specific to data. They know they will find the best quality data analyst, not somewhere where there's too much. We are experts and in what we do. We do not want to pretend to be experts in something that we don't know.
Yeah, you know? Yeah. Actually, we wish all success for your Pangaea X.
Thank you.
We will be happy if some solution came from here and get success from all over the world. Usually, Jadd, when we meet people and owners or founders of such projects, usually we talk about finance, we talk about fund, we talk about invest. Usually they need invest to withdraw and to get bigger.
Sure.
But it seems you are not. What behind that idea?
Listen,
if I'm right, maybe you need.
You are right. So for the time being, of course, I'm always interested, and I do get a lot of phone calls and emails, and people try to have meetings with me, and I am interested. I listen to everybody what they have to offer.
Yeah.
However, at this point in time, I believe that we have more value, and we are building something. So we're building our value. A lot of startups at the initial point in their journey, they give up a lot of their business very early for a small amount. We think, or we have predicted with research, with data, there's a big market for what we're doing, right? Our potential is immense. We truly believe that. So we don't want to sell ourselves short very early on. We're trying to build our value so that when we do go out there for an investor or multiple investors, we get something worth our value, which will allow us to grow globally, not only here, not only in Europe, but all around the world. To have offices, to have working teams, to have remote offices for freelancers to go to those offices and work from there. But we need, in order for us to get to that point, we need to build our value. And this is the early stages. So the first year, 2 years, now we're going on to our third year. The first 5 years, we're building our value. Once we have that value, I will be looking outside for investors.
Actually, very unique concept. Good luck. By June 22, you launched your new website. What exactly you improved in this version, and what you can tell us about that?
So I don't want to generalize, but we improved everything. You know, when you first start, you have a vision and you go for it, and you just want to you want to be the first to market, or you want to get started with your business and see if it works. So we weren't really initially worried about design, how it looks. We were more worried about the user experience, getting done the entire journey, getting hired and getting paid, and that's what we were worried about. But once we launched and once we established ourselves and had users and visitors, thousands of visitors on a weekly basis, now we started thinking about look and feel. We want people to enjoy to come to our platform, right? And we want the most seamless journey for our users, right? We want the most efficient. Don't want people to go to 200 different pages. No, it has to be very efficient because everybody's time is money, right? We have to value everybody's time. So we've improved everything. We've improved everything from the entire sign-up process, and making it so you showcase your quality as a freelancer. The entire company, posting a project, the requirements. We've improved every single process that we have on our platform.
Pangaea X is a website, or as well it's also application?
So right now it's a website and platform on the web, on your computer and things like that. We do have things in the works for a mobile application.
Perfect.
that will be to communicate between the client and the freelancer.
Yeah.
You know, because everybody nowadays, you don't go anywhere without your phone. Right?
Yeah.
So if you're your own business owner as a freelancer, you need to always be in communication with your clients. You need to check if anything changes, and so that's why we're going to be moving towards phone as well. But we'll always be on both. There's not one that we prefer more than the other.
Yeah. Before my last question about your strategy, I would like to ask you about fintech sector.
Sure.
If you have something to contribute in this, especially point.
So I think the fintech sector is just starting. You know, it's a very immature, not immature, but it's only in the startup section of their journey. There's a lot of potential for the future. Even now, we're seeing every day or every week there's something new coming up in the fintech sector. A lot of applications or platforms started making these buy now, pay later, or the connecting payment, because everything that we do, everything that we do requires payment, and now we're moving more towards the electronical payment, right? We're not carrying cash in our pocket. We're not even carrying credit cards anymore. We carry our phone. Right. So there's a lot more applications coming for payment sector, for banking systems, and for everything. Everything is going to become technology based. So I'm not surprised that fintech is just in the early stages of its life, and it has a huge potential and a huge future.
Okay.
Very interesting.
If I can ask you about the strategy of Pangaea X for the coming 5 years.
Sure.
What can you tell me?
So we have products, you know, features lined up for the next 3 to 5 years. We have that initially when we first started. We had a vision. We know, okay, every 6 months, every 3 months, we're going to develop a new feature, and we have everything ready. You know, but in order for us to keep slowly growing gradually and not do too much at once, let our users get used to one feature and so on and so forth. So we have a lot of things in the pipeline. The next one that is very soon, we'll be building a community. So Pangaea community, where we allow users to come together. Right now, everybody is kind of scattered everywhere. Facebook group, LinkedIn group, WhatsApp group, everybody is trying to talk and discuss things about data everywhere. We want to bring everybody on Pangaea to have that community. It's not for hiring, you're not going to get paid, but everybody wants to have a discussion.
Yeah,
you know?
true. Yeah.
There's a lot of different platforms out there, social media as well. So everybody is everywhere. We want to bring everybody together and give them that place, obviously for specifics to data, all data professionals. And that's what we have. We have a lot of things in the pipeline, but one step at a time.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Jadd Elliot Dib, thank you so much. You are the founder and the CEO of Pangaea X. Best of luck for you, and welcome to GITEX. I hope you enjoyed checking the market.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.